Hi guys, Candis from Ponoka Chrysler. So I am outside today in -30 so that I can show you guys a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. This vehicle was the general manager's wife's demo vehicle. So it's going to be in our used inventory, has about 30,000 K on it. All the bells and whistles you could want. I can't wait to walk you guys through this. It's got everything. So let's step outside quickly because it's so cold and take a look. And then we'll spend most of the time in the inside where it's warm. Okay, so we have a bit of a wind today, so you might hear the wind in the camera. My apologies. It's a beautiful looking vehicle. Under the hood of this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica is a 3.6 liter engine with a 9-speed automatic transmission. On the tires, you'll be riding on 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. So I'm going to show you in the front here, you have front sensors as well as back sensors. Beautiful detailing on the lights. Coming up to the side mirrors, this will be your side signal there. Mirrors that break in and break away with the defrost as well. See that there? I'm gonna grab the keys here. So on your key fob, you got it all. You have your remote, your lock and unlock, your remote start, your back hatch, and your side door opener, as well as your panic. We will not demonstrate that one. Let's just open up the door here, just by the press of a button. Close it, press of the button again. Sorry, drop the keys. So this has keyless entry. So locked. Actually, I'll make sure it's locked. I don't think it is. Now it's locked. I'm just gonna put my hand on the door handle and it unlocks as long as the keys are in my purse, or right now they're in my coat pocket. So coming on the driver's side door, you have lock and unlock windows as well as your side mirror adjust. Coming down, you have some storage in the door. All right, going into this beautiful Pacifica, we have tan, or I guess beige, vented leather seats. So they're heated as well as vented for those hot summer days, which I'm really hoping we get soon. Automatic seat adjust. Okay, let's step on inside. So along with your keyless entry comes your keyless start. So just put my foot on the brake, press the button there. There we go. Okay, so on our front dash here, as I said, so we're almost at 31,000, very close. Heated steering wheel, leather wrapped, 2 different tones of leather. It's the beige and the black. Just take my mitts off, make it easier. Okay, so on your steering wheel on the left is your dashboard adjust, giving you a bunch of different options there, as well as your Uconnect. Coming over to the right, you have your cruise control settings, and these are your front sensor options. Oh, it must be turned off, unavailable. So it will still be sense, but this would be able to allow you to adjust it. We can show you how to turn that on. Okay, so coming into the center, nice, beautiful LCD screen. Bunch of different options. I have it on the theater right now. So you have Sirius XM, FM, and AM. Your theater. We'll get into this when we get into the back. There are 2 DVD players in this unit on back of each, the driver's seat and the passenger seat. Your controls. There's your heated seats, your vented seats, and your heated steering wheel. Not sure why that's not on right now while I'm sitting in here. This is very, very cool for the backup camera. So you have 2 different views, well, 2 different views at a time. There's your front, see if anything's blocking your way. And your back again, yeah. So that's gonna direct you back from above, which is really cool. Oh, I don't wanna. Okay, and your apps. Your sales professional can go through all these apps with you. There's lots of different settings on that in here. Your climate control can be done on this screen or from just below it. And then in navigation. You can look, we have an information video on how to run our navigation system. Very easy. Also, this is equipped with, it's similar to OnStar, we call it Guardian. If you were ever in a wreck from your car, you can call the hospital, police, fire department, and to connect your phones. So like I said, so many different options on this vehicle. This is gonna get you from park, reverse neutral drive, and your heating options there. Coming down, we have your DVD player there, as well as some more storage just below that. In the center here, we have your cup holders. This opens for some storage. And just want to show you up here. Another way you can open up your side doors is there, your back hatch and your lights. I just want to show you guys the huge sunroof that this has. There's also one, if you can see back there, it's just closed right now for your third row seating. So tons of passenger seating in here. An awesome solution if you don't like the stigma of the minivan or caravan. These are just stylish. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the video and we will go around. Okay, so I showed you guys the first way to open it with the keys. So now I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. I just pull the handle lightly and the door opens. So going in here, these seats are very versatile. They do fold down to be your stow and go. All you gotta do is lift this up. We won't demonstrate it today because it's hard to do with one hand on, but all I have to do is lift this up and then those seats, you can get a vision of that, fold right down in there, offering you lots of storage room in here. Step in here. So flip this up. Here is my DVD player with lots of different options. You can put in a USB. You have your headphones so the kids can listen to each their own videos. Show you the next one. There you go. So yeah, they each have their own, which is a super nice feature. Up here is their heat control. And then back here, you also have USB ports. Well, one there, and then buttons to fold down the seats. Okay, let's step around. This is plastic as well. We all know what happens. Kids kick the back of our seat. This makes it easy to clean and doesn't damage any of the leather. Goes down. So, another way, I can either touch the handle or I can just press the button and the door shuts. So lots of easy, convenient ways to open and close those side doors. Here are your backup sensors, as well as that backup camera that we were showing you. So just gonna open this. So these seats also fold down. There's so much storage in this thing, it's nuts, and it's just so user-friendly. So that's how you're gonna fold the seats down. We won't demonstrate that today, but yeah, it makes lots of room. When I wanna close the back hatch, just press the button. Apparently that doesn't wanna work. Okay, so to close the back hatch, all I'm gonna do is press the button, step out of the way, and it's actually on a time delay. It kind of took me a second to figure that out, because I was like, why isn't this working? It just gives you a little minute to get out of the way so it can close the door. All right, so that wraps up our walk around video of this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. This vehicle is one to own for sure. If you'd like to take this vehicle for a test drive, we'd love to show it off. Just give us a call. Also, keep in mind that if you're too busy to come down and see us, we will bring this to your doorstep, to your office, wherever you might like to take it for a test drive or just to have a look at it. Just give us a call and we will arrange something. Thank you and have a great day.